The next set of pages in line are about what you do and what are you offering through your website. So it could include products, it could include services, it could include blog pages. If you're just running an information website, you could add blog pages. If you're running an affiliate network website, you could list details of various vendors that you are affiliated to and why those vendors are good value for your website visitors. This set of pages is very crucial to your website because here you are listing and articulating details of all your offerings. This set of pages form a very strong sales pitch. What are the benefits that your website visitor will get? If let's say it's an employer, how will he benefit from employing you? If it is related to any kind of services, what services can a visitor really get? If it is about products, what products are you selling? Yes, if you have a very large number of products, you could group them together and this could be a multi-layer set of pages or posts, whichever way you want to put it across. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. Have a good day.